Yo, what is up, YouTube channel? Today I'm filming my first official liquidity video. Why you want to know what liquidity is because liquidity is the moving factor of markets. Price likes to draw to liquidity, and if you position yourself in the right way, you're able to make profits from it. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can find liquidity, what it is, and how to profit from using liquidity in your day trading. Before we get into this deep dive about liquidity, I first want to say if you find this video educational, please consider giving me a like. It helps me a lot, and subscribing, because then I can see that y'all actually like these type of videos that I'm making, and then I can put out more, because liquidity is only one of many confluences that you're going to need to become a profitable day trader. Now, without a further ado, let's get right into this video. What is liquidity? This is going to be kind of just more of like a definition overview of liquidity. I'm going to be using terms from this slide to go onto the chart and help you better understand the chart once we get to that part. Bars. All right, liquidity is pending buy or sell orders. So what that means is liquidity is resting money located above highs and lows and waiting to get hit, and then price gets put into the market. So that's why market likes to go there, because it's just looking for the most amount of money it can possibly get. Why we like it, like I said before, is liquidity can be used as like a magnet for price. Price can be here, and liquidity is as if it is above. Price can get drawn towards this above liquidity. Same thing below. If the liquidity is below, then price will probably want to come below. Buy side liquidity is above every high that price has not returned to. And so what that means is price has formed a high and price has not reached above it. That's what buy side liquidity is. And then same thing for sell side. Sell side liquidity is below every low that price has not returned to. Price has not reached below that liquidity, then the liquidity is still valid. It is still sell side liquidity. If liquidity is swept, then price is likely to reverse. If we see a liquidity sweep, then we can anticipate price wanting to reverse and go towards another draw in liquidity. Before we get into this actual chart work with candlesticks and wicks and all that stuff that might make it a little bit harder for the new ones, I dumbed it down for just lines and emojis. Here we have buy side liquidity, because this is a move up and then a move down, which forms buy side liquidity. And you can see that this is the paper. Just think of money just sitting on top of this, and how price is using a magnet to come bring it to the money. Just think of it as money and magnet. Think of bands and magnets. You go up, you go down, buy side liquidity. There's a high, there's money resting there. There's a magnet pulling it towards. For sell side, we have a move down and then a move up, which forms sell side liquidity. Price is resting below that low, and there's a magnet wanting price to come back. This is basically as simple as it gets. Here's a little visual image of just it coming up, forming a high. There's buy side, magnet, it forming a low, sell side, magnet. And now that you're hopefully able to identify liquidity and how to use it and what it does to price, we can now use it to put in a trade. Liquidity got taken out above, and now we would want to look for the sell side liquidity to get taken out and try to benefit from this move right here. Here we have an example of going the other way. This time sell side got taken out, and buy side would be where we want price to go towards. All right, we are in replay mode here, going over liquidity. We are going to mark out what we marked out before on the other chart. So we have this 4 hour above, and the reason this is 4 hour liquidity is because we have this candle move up and this candle move down. So the high of that would be our buy side liquidity. And then down here, we have sell side liquidity. And the reason why this is sell side liquidity is because we have a move down and then a move up. And the lowest between the two is where we put the liquidity marker. So now we have this little like range here If price comes here, I'm going to want to look this way, and if price comes here, I'm going to want to look this way. Let's get a little forward here. Boom. We swept out this sell side liquidity. So this, and what I'm about to do here, do not start trading like this, but I'm just going to say buy. We're going to press buy right here, and then I don't even know where to put a stop loss, but we'll put stop loss like down here just for shits and gigs. And then take profit would be the other drawn liquidity. As you see here, we have this sell side and then this buy side. If we go down here, this is the exact same model, right? We have buy side and then we have sell side. This is the exact same. We have this down, up a little bit, down to the buy side, down, up a little bit, down, and then now I would be looking to buy side. Lo and behold, buy side ends up getting taken out. You could see that this was our drawn liquidity. Price came to it because it was a magnet. Well, here I'll add a little magnet. Price was a magnet here, right? And so it came here, and then the draw where the money's all at is up here. So price came here and then wanted to come to the new draw, which would be there. That's pretty much it, explained very, very quickly. That will wrap up the end of the video. Liquidity is the biggest factor when it comes to trading for me, and I really want everybody to really understand how great and how influential liquidity is, and if you can implement it into your trading the correct way, then you can actually start to profit and benefit from liquidity. Like I mentioned briefly in the intro of this video, if you found this video educational, please consider giving it a like and subscribe. It really helps me a ton. You wouldn't believe it. Also, go into my channel description. In there, you'll find my TikTok and my Instagram and my Discord where you can go join. My Discord is free to join, and Instagram, TikTok, I be posting videos in there as well. Go support. It means a lot again. Thank y'all for watching this video. Enjoy your day. See you.